In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy premium subscription on Pocket FM. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Pocket FM app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, I want you to tap your profile icon, or you can simply go to the My Store. Now look for an option related to the Pocket FM Premium, subscribe, upgrade, or a similar membership option. Depending on your app version and location, the exact wording and placement may look slightly different. The thing is, if you want to unlock premium benefits and enjoy more content on Pocket FM, you need to find the premium subscription. Okay? And of course, complete your purchase directly from the app. Take a moment to review the subscription options shown on your screen. You may see different billing periods or promotional offers, so make sure to check the price and renewal details before choosing a plan. Once you've found the plan you want, tap the option to continue with your purchase. Okay? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to buy premium account or premium subscription on Pocket FM. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.